0.80 grams of element X is reacted with 0.40 grams of O2 to form an oxide with the formula X2O3. What is the identity of element X? A. Aluminium, B. Titanium, C. Germanium, or D. Molybdenum? So firstly, looking at this question, we can work out the charge that X would need to have. So as O3 has a 2 minus charge, that means that it's got a 6 minus, and then we've got X2, so we'd need positive 6 to counteract this 6 minus. Dividing this by 2, we get plus 3. So that's the charge that element X would need to have in this formula. But that doesn't help us a massive amount with this identity question. So instead we need to try and create a balanced equation and work out moles and relative formula masses. So if we have X plus O2, that's going to produce X2O3. Balancing this equation, we would need 3 O2s, 2 X2O3s, and 4 X's to make this a balanced equation. Then we're going to use the equation triangle of mass divided by relative formula mass times by moles. And we're going to work out the moles in this question. So using the data we've been given about oxygen, we can do 0.4 divided by 16 times 2, and that equals 0.0125 moles. Then we can use the molar ratio to work out the moles of X. So that would be 0.0125 divided by 3 and multiplied by 4. And that equals 0.017 moles of X. So now we can use this equation triangle to work out the relative formula mass of element X using the mass we're given in the question. So we can do 0.8 divided by 0.017, and that equals 48, which is the relative atomic mass of titanium. So that's our answer for this question, and we can write B. So to get the mark for this question, you need to write B in the answer box provided.